In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Microsoft Defender. Whether you're looking to protect your personal information or just ensure your device's health, enabling Microsoft Defender is a straightforward way to add a layer of security to your computer. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To begin, you'll want to find the Start button on your computer, which is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the classic Windows icon that's part of the taskbar. Alternatively, you might notice a magnifying glass icon right beside it, which can be used for searching. Both of these options will get us to where we need to go. Next, in the search bar that appears, type in Windows Security or Microsoft Defender. These terms are interchangeable for this purpose. By doing this, you signal your computer to look for the security dashboard that houses your device's protection features. After you've typed in those words, you should see a list of search results. Look for and select the Windows Security app from this list. When you open it, you'll be greeted by a dashboard showcasing various security features your computer offers. This is where all the magic happens. Once inside the Windows Security app, your focus should shift to the Virus and Threat Protection tile. It's strategically placed for easy access, so go ahead and click on it. This section will guide you through ensuring your device is shielded from various cyber threats. Located within the Virus and Threat Protection area, you'll find a section marked Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Here, you'll see an option that says Manage Settings. Clicking on this link will lead you to even more configurations, putting you in the driver's seat for your device's security setup. Now, as you scroll through these settings, direct your attention to the Real-Time Protection toggle. This feature is essential as it consistently monitors your computer for potential threats and neutralizes them in real time. Ensure that this toggle is set to On. If it isn't, hover over the switch and click, turning on the defenses your computer needs to stay secure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've enabled Microsoft Defender on your device, safeguarding your valuable data and personal information. Remember, keeping your security features on helps prevent unwanted access and attacks, so it's a great habit to form. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide if you need a refresher in the future. Happy computing!